Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make this type of transparent effect in Adobe Photoshop. I have this image, link to this image is mentioned in the description. First, select the background layer and press Ctrl+J for the layer via copy. Then go to Select menu and click on the subject. Then go to the layer menu for layer via copy of it. Right-click on it and choose Select Pixels. Go to Select menu, Modify and Expand. Add 26 pixels and hit OK. Now select this layer, go to the Edit menu, and click on Fill. Set Content Aware, and hit OK. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Now select this and create layer via copy of it. And hide this layer. Then go Image menu, Adjustment, and Desaturate. Now go to Filter menu, Other and High Pass. Follow my high pass settings. And change its blending mode to screen. Go to the Image menu again, then Adjustment and Levels. Follow my level settings. Now show this layer. And add a layer mask to it. Select the brush tool, use these settings for the brush. And apply. Now select this layer mask, hold the Alt button, and drag this on top desaturated layer. Press Ctrl+I to inverse it. And that's it. Here is the before and here's after. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic related tutorials. Thank you for watching.